morning, guys. Happy Thanksgiving. We're gonna go to houses and I'm gonna take you. So let's go. Oh. Hello.
Hi.
Hi. Oh. That's good. I'm good.
Hi, you guys.
Here you go. Hey, Grandma.
Hey, Dad.
Happy Thanksgiving.
Don't do me now. I ain't got my.
Hey, Mom. Happy Thanksgiving.
They all are here.
I'm sending me to get
I got
them.
jail braids.
What you doing with me?
Well, we're going to go to the other house. Hope you have your wig on when we get back.
I'll have my jail braids out by the time y'all get back.
Mom, make sure she got her wig on when I get back.
I have my hair.
Okay.
I have my time.
All the food ready? Okay, well, if the food ain't ready over there, we might be back sooner than later.
This is the first time the food's ready on time.
I know, right? Ready. It's 2:09, y'all, and they ready to eat. That's crazy, ain't it?
I
Wow.
got the
Wow.
schedule ready.
You changed your schedule?
I changed it to 2
Okay, I gotta go. I'm gonna see y'all.
Bye.
Bye. We just made it to our first actual stop. It is Nick's parents' house. Oh, there we got the little fish fry out here. No games being played around here. We're gonna go in. Hello. Hello. Good. How are you? Hello. What's that? I am. Guys.
So we're gonna drink a corner. We're gonna drink all and leave you a corner, cause we don't want you to do 2 tips.
Dang.
Turn off the camera. I'm about to divulge some illegal information.
You ain't gotta tell me. Oh, Grandma. See, Grandma ready now. She put her hair on. Smash her mama at. This is what I do right here. That's crazy. And be gone too. And just be sleeping. See?
That's what the plate did to you. That's how I know you're tired, because you got red things working on.
Oh, yeah. Burning your feet up, ain't it? We made it to my grandma's. As you can see, we're about to eat. I'm going to show you what's on the menu for today. We went to Nick's parents' house already. I vlogged a little bit there. Y'all saw that, but I'm going to show you what they got here, and we're going to go back to Nick's parents' house, Nick's aunt's house later on today. So we got some cornbread, some rice. Nick got the plates. These are our little plates. And then we have something and cabbage. Those are collard greens, I think. And cabbage and pinto beans and oh, so good. Dressing, bomb macaroni and cheese. Oh, this is the dressing for the dressing, the gravy for the dressing. Ham. Yeah, it's good too. And some ham that I won't be eating. And then this. Oh, is this sweet potato casserole? Oh, this is sweet potato casserole. Oh, I'm about to slout. Got some red velvet cake, and this is sweet potato pie. And these are the little dessert plates we have. And then spoon, forks, knives, napkins, 2 match the plates, and then the plates. So, with that being said, I'm going to sit down at the table and smash my meal. Nicholas is already getting ready. Does not care about the vlog at all. He's gonna fix that plate. Am I right?
Well, that's a good thing right there. Sorry, guys.
I ain't gonna drink that.
I'll tell you if it was good or not.
I was gonna throw it away, but thank you, Aquana. So handy.
All right,
Wow, guys.
Do I put this in the freezer or?
You can put it in the freezer for a little bit.
Please, Charlie Brown.
All right, guys, we're putting on the tree now. Tierra poured me some, whatever this is.
Moscato, baby.
Oh, that's what we sit. I'm sitting at the table drinking.
I'm not 21.
Oh, you right. You right. She didn't pour it. Y'all right. She right. Just kidding. I'm so weak. Oh, they know. They saw it in the Vlogmas intro. Let me turn the camera back on so my uncle can have his debut. Y'all seen him in the intro too. He made his appearances.
Oh my God, look at this.
If you're a real subscriber, you know what we were laughing at in the intro.
For those who
Uh-oh.
do not Christian for Thanksgiving, y'all can always come over to my house. I cook.
What's that? It's some burnt pie and some, what's that cheese slices on?
Oh no, I'd rather eat McDonald's.
Oh, Danae supposed to that?
Yes.
Share it.
Candy, yes. Cornbread. I cannot. Cornbread. What else is this? What? Is it supposed to be deviled eggs?
Ever seen?
Oh gosh. Grandma ain't playing, boy.
The whole cover thing.
Oh my God.
You gotta change everything at grandma's house. You know, towels got to go up, the tablecloth got to go up, the lights got to go on the windows. Lots of stuff happening here. Lots of action happening.
Them all black pies.
I'm gonna go set it.
Okay, Grandma. I'll make you the colors. I'll make you the colors.
Oh, why the camera on me like I'm about to do something?
I don't know.
Oh, you just gotta have the camera back just in case.
I was told to record.
This season they've been really good. Second down and 7.
Wonderful people. It's the next day after Thanksgiving. We have a clogged tub. Nicholas is going to try to fix it. We have some boiling water on the stove right there. Excuse these cookies. Boiling water in that pot. He has pulled out the baking soda and some vinegar. Hopefully that'll be good. And he's now finding a measuring cup, I think. I've been laying here in the laptop and my little thingy thing. And I was watching Sugar Rush, but I wanted to watch Nicholas do the tub thing, so I cut everything off. But this is what we have going on right now. Half a cup of baking soda. We'll let you know if it works too. Obviously, I'm going to film the whole process. Half a cup of baking soda. Okay, so we're going to buy Drano. We just wanted to try that first.